Hello, hello. Hello, mi bị té đầm kim tắc kia. Tôi này tập thêm chiếc khát ra cái pian ta lệ. Tôi cả sung tôi thằng đậu tầng tôi cái kiện đậu tầng lệ y ham phát lộ những chú bỏ khát mò. Tôi này tập tôm chiếc khát cái kiện bé lẹng một thằng ấy. Nên á cái kiện tôi này tập pen mà điạc igen đỉnh chungของhình trên ạ. Tôi lại tất cả mi bị mất đấy. Hội bí Myanmar Adam lại thắc hiền à tôi lại thắc hiền top 11 mà top 11 Adam lại thắc first round Adam lại thắc hiền à tôi khích sang na anh na US visa appointment te tôi lại thắc hiền ki asolan ki hong kik ding chi tôi chang atum na Myanmar scholarship te tôi lại thắc hiền cancel mà tôi chang na tu nung dewang nusia bol khat omina tôi khích chang na White House Press Secretary te to te Biden hun lai le Trump hun lai te en kak pak ni mo in tu lai takena dek bel she kyao ni mo she kyao pak ni na ho sai go she kyao pak ni mo na khol pak po mo kiện take kyao tan che na tôi lại takena Myanmar Star dem hội bí mà hội bí performance first round ban Facebook again thấy tài nạ tua hong kéo nữa mà tulai takina Myanmar Star hoi pina sa takina kidem la takina mo top 11 in second round pen for February 14 a result pen for February 14 ni kital khan chena tua thapezo tena thapiak zia ding hin che in to katak chang ina tulai takina kolgam lammo kolgam lama nirangong pek panai ngak mate nirang pek panai ngak user US visa appointment pen nani buren taring na kinga thai mama lokmo in hi staffing shortage in officer te tom loma mawai changa kinga zo ngiat lo in hak salua in tuna solo an ke hong ding chi visa update min mo hi US embassy in Burma chi website visit ngiatin paile hang website visit ngiatin paile hang mo in kimun china in bang needing hiam chile needing pen February non-immigrant visa update china February som lalini mo jingsang nai soma kipan hong ding hin china totaka appointment system ya alingom pa in chin mo ya alingom pa lilekina to aling me ka kisam ting fill up ding sokin chin adiak kisam pen bang om ding hiam chile to i form fill up sa mo i form fill up sa DS 160ตัวกิสามเนี่ย confirmation code มั้งตัวกิสามผมตั้งดิ้งตัวนี้นะตัวเป็นแล้วว่า ready กินกันง่ายกว่าดิ้งเละ February ส่งเลยนี่จริงๆในซ้อมจังนะเพ็กซาvisa เช่าดิ้งแต่นะอีเช่าappointment เช่าดิ้งแต่นะอีเช่าเทนังจีตัว visa update กี่เดือนที่เป็นอีงากตัวสอนมาตามมั้งนุ่งกุมเปกอีงากินนะnung dok diak teng hile student teng masakuina student teng camp anga appointment anga dinga kilom teng anga theina anga vai hom sak masamo in to hin to khichang ina hi atom teng visit aizong ina B1 B2 chi dante akizom thei pan hina toi chang ina hi visa appointment pen ani ring pen fever som lini jing sang nai som ina ama website panena hong ning mo to hina visit to US apai ding apai som ready king keng teng ina ya visa appointment lak zia ding chi to akigen age thei sak yang ele ina tuina thoi lamma ipai ma bangena tom chikhat putham
we also blocked 45
inตัวขับวิจังฮีelectionอีเดดันจงองเซมเทวตัวจังอีเดดันอีเดลุดันของจงองเซมขากจงผมดึงบ่ in election มาไก president ขัดไปเป็นอีเดดันเลียนะองฮิเทคินขอลงบ่ in ตัวฮีนะตูตุงบังฮิเลฮี president Trump นะอามายกำสุงspending cut chena sumzat na khem pe aki khiam thei teng khem pe khep so mai changa in to khem na la ka hi mema scholarship chin ei ko company scholarship piak tang teng zong tuina scholarship on cancel hi mo nin to ben million som li lenga man phial mo budget to za am hina to pen ko gam bek akipia scholarship pen tuina on cancel ai man na to pen hi kogam panina I ham phanna isup lo na hina thu hoi bel hi khol ke mo hang ama gen na ngai ni mo
$5 million for diversity scholarships in Burma. We also blocked $45 million for diversity scholarships in Burma. 45, that's a lot of money for diversity scholarships in Burma. You can imagine where that money went. These were the types of payments and many others. I could stand here all day and tell you things that we found. And we have to find them quickly because we want the money to flow to proper places. We all
in tua in china to le takena DOG Dutch ma Department of Government Efficiency amaka Elon Musk tungton ina government spending cut nasa takin bolna hi gamdang foreign aid teng khem pe pen tamzo khak so muhina tola ka hikial khamo chinomna abek akihel hello US agency they international development USA achiu mo toa na sep khem pe phial pen tamzo a khol sak so muhina bang yam chi le gamin zong leiba nei toy tak chang na gam songa ki samte masak ding chi policy to hi government spending pen hi kumpina asumzat pen a khiap so mu hi na hilaka khial kha se tak chang na lungbal nom hello ai hangena I thei ding e bekena thuwa khelo mo in international development sunga budget teng khem pe akizang teng khem pe pen a kharu hi na tulai tak bangle budget hi USAID budget pen bangza ki jang hiam chel billion som limang ki jang hina employee pen mi tur som bangam ma 40 billion budget US aid organization hina ai jong ina hi kumpite spending pen as sumjar pen khiap soma mo cha hi organization buppi ki porna buppi na leng jong khak tan som hina abek hilo abek na thuwa hilo gam tom toma na sem khem pe utale amao gam ming yat citizen nyat te na sem nyat te mo employee nyat te na leng jong na sep atan lo phial hi aton lo phial thei ding hi chi to aki phok sa khiang toy changena hi pen adding to way hi khol ke na ven ai jong ina kol gam ong su khai man ina to aki thei sak hiang e in the changena nung deu ina hi izogama aka share huai din mun kiam mo in thau ki toina kumpi ki lang do in kumpi ki lang do zia in na thani to pa hi lampan gam sunga thau toy lo tengin na sumle pai to ai thei zawa panpi zo ten panpi to changina online panpi zo ten panpi chi dan hina in kumpi me online tulai takena ukna bulu pa pen inok khiat zo na ki han cham ke hina ai jong ina hibang thau toy kom kalai chidan emi sunga mo iluang te tan lo na te mo ong chang ina ilung pen nuam hello ma de lung pen nuam hello na hibang ngong tan na chemai ni mo non lo na ngina igam jong nak pi takena hi thau toy ma kai te na hoi taka ma de ong ki hi anwai lam teng akiuk dan zia pen ong hoi sem nang ina thau toy te sunga jong kiuk dan ong hoi sem nang un ma hang in dirang kana supply bang heleba hi thau toy teng khem pe ceasefire monitoring chena to teng muna thau toy teng kikum noi koi chidani na kilem na bolding hiam chidani na akikum tang nang na mun khara na sem ngengina to takabel hoi ka sang ma bang hiam chile amao hi kilem na dai na process sep na bol na bang neu hiam chile code of conduct china hi alang to ka zui ding thu khun neu na ga kap sunga jong to thu khun pen na sa taka ki bol ma de in toy manina hi thau tulai takena mi sunga jong thau toy ki pol na te na nei ham tang kharing to nei ham tang kharina in to anei te na to code of conduct chi zui ding thu khun le atom te tung to ni na hi banga ngong tat na pian thei non lo nangin apian non lo na ringena nak pitakena zong ong hi kipol na te na ong bol ong nase takena ong ngat takena ong hi na nguzong nak pitakin lungul hang in ong nusia tutung bangale ong nusia pa dalmuan kim le pa kam lian thang te aringena lungnop lo na hiteng panin zong pulak nom hang in to tak chiang ina abana US lampai ni na US tulai ta kena US president Trump hitale abesa US president Biden huni tale president White House panina press conference press secretary dingena azadu tua kai ve in hi azadu tulai ta kena tulai ta asem nu hitale tu ma asem Biden hunana asem pen ko hiam chile Karen Jean Pierre hina in ama pen tua nu to tua Caroline to kibang yel mo in to ichianga kumpi khalle khanam ki khel tak chana policy ki khel ma bangwa thu gen danu thu gen ja thu pom jiao le thu gen te ma jong again dana a hi danu kilam dang sit serin aming ya ri identity na lang kilam dang sit set mo na masa pen bang hile bang hiam chile LGBTQ china hi gay mo hi nu mai nu pen Karen pen gay na hi khin khian na mo ina ma jong gay a hi na pen ang tang ma chini ina hi nu pen ama again na bang hile ke ama again na ngai kiao ni mo
I just want to say a few words about how honored I am to be here with all of you today in this role. I just want to say a few words about how honored I am to be here with all of you today in this role, in this room, standing behind this podium. I am obviously acutely aware that my presence at this podium represents a few firsts. I am a Black, gay, immigrant woman, the first of all three of those to hold this position. I would not be here today if it were not for generations of barrier-breaking people before me. I stand on their shoulders. If it were not for generations of barrier-breaking people before me, I would not be.
Hey na, tua ama again ting tung ton in hile ma pen bang hiam bang na hi hiam chi le mi vom te imu sit dan ma mo mi vom hing chi to ka tak chang na gay hing chi ma de to ka tak chang na immigrant chi na pem ta gam pem ta khat hing chi na hit thum teng hang ina tuni na hitenga ang ding the hing chi na ama le ma hi na pen I bang chiria ang tan pi ma mo in the chang ina barrier breaker china hi deidan nam lo mate tom ki deidan na te ana nok gop amaya ana nok gop ana nok khia makai te hangina ke tu ni te ngang ding the hing china mai hi na ang tang ma again na to ong lak paking ina mo in ka gen of tuber bang hiam chile hitani pen nak pi taken kilam dang ma mo in a thugen zia den chang jong ngai lai le in adek dek na hi again of agenda bang le LGBTQ china gay chi ba hi numei pasal aki ira ki ngai thei aki bang jeria aki lungul thei sok ve mo ki lungul na chilang man zon china aki bang na te anei te nei kop nei pi te lungul na sok ve mo in to hina tulam hi conservative achi pasian thu ana ultung sang ma ten bal sang zo vel lo ding mo to hina in tua hang ma jong hi democrat na hi sang zo wei cha mo in LGBTQ te hi gay te lesbian te sang zo wei changa tua ma jong ala na wa ya press secretary ama jong ana koi u hi no ming in tul tua thap nu chang en bal khau gi ya ma mo in calorie bang khau ma man ya in new era chipau na ama hi news por khatena zo in ama honable hi gender pen ni ding chi adinda na political stand hi gender to sai a stand over Trump tong ong kibang ma mai jang Trump in hinu tel kharing mo ina tulai ta kena hi Karen bel kumsom nga bang na patai na in lom nu zong nei mo in to chang adopt chin kol pa ma zang zel ni na mui sa khat zong alom nu to ne a alom nu pen alom nu to 23 nung kum deu tuma kum ni lai kiaw na ki khenu mo ki khenu na toina sangka na bal na se mama mo sang pen bangaya Columbia University panina MPA man hi ina ama lema proud za khat mai na press secretary gay laka press secretary asem masama White House press secretary asem masa khat ai manina proud mama chi hi na dena ka jidan Christian achi tan den bal san ning haksa ki samo in the changena apama Caroline bal numei ma hinga chi chat hin na the chana kumpen kumsom nil kumsagi bek papan mo in education bal BA bachelor first to man mo in to hina to la takina in kwan pi nei to ketak chana to press secretary asem laka akhang no pen mo akhang no pen hinia ama zong khang no ma lai cha thahat ma zat lai na thugen zia zong khwak lungsim malang ma khwak man ma lang ma le kilomin in hitagel pen dulai tak kiet hi tulai takena Caroline pen kiet chek ma lai tak mo ama thugen hi ma lo na se za lopek mai changa ina hitagel thugen en kak pak ni mo Karen ni thugen le na khat i thugen en kak pak ni mo Caroline thugen Karen le Caroline thugen en kak pak ni mo.
So, what do you call it here at the White House when 10,000 people illegally cross the border in a single day?
So what do you call it, Peter, when GOP puts forth a wait, no, you can't. I'm answering. Okay, we're gonna move
You're
on.
answering
No,
a question with a question? Okay.
no. We're moving on.
Kareem,
In
please.
the back.
You said you were stopping the flow of the border.
No. I tried to
10,000
answer, Peter. I tried to answer the question. You stopped me. Let's go.
There was footage yesterday of Border Patrol cutting some of the razor
Okay,
wire
but,
that Texas has installed. Governor Abbott has vowed to reinstall it. They have picked his border czar has.
Ina alang khada Caroline Q&A ngai leo pang ni mo.
How long is this pause going to last, and how is the Trump administration recommending that organizations that rely on federal funding make payroll, pay their rent in the meantime?
It is a temporary pause, and the Office of Management and Budget is reviewing the federal funding that has been going out the door. Again, not for individual assistance, but for all of these other programs that I mentioned. I also spoke with the incoming director of OMB this morning, and he told me to tell all of you that the line to his office is open for other federal government agencies across the board, and if they feel that programs are necessary and in line with the president's agenda, then the Office of Management and Budget will review those policies. I think this is a very responsible measure. Again, the past 4 years, we've seen the Biden administration spend money like drunken sailors. It's a big reason we've had an inflation crisis in this country, and it's incumbent upon this administration to make sure, again, that every penny is being accounted for honestly.
Why impose this pause with so little notice?
Ina press secretary te pen tua dan ye ina tua tu zo kum li dong sem zo diam Caroline tu zo tua kum li song sem zo diam en ni na ina masa Karen in ba kum ni kim khong sem mo in to mai na ma na sem kharom mina en chidan hina tuni again pen atomina Myanmar Star ang dem hoi pi thu hi tale ta changina scholarship to ki sai hi tale mo
We also
ta chang scholarship to ki sai hi tale to panina adiak nung dewa ingak la ma visa te mo visa appointment te zongina ta changina tu nung dewang nusia ngal bol adiak ngal bol khopan pa dal mon kim le ปากามเลียนทังเตอิลุงนบโลนาฮิเต็งปานินะปุลาขังเงินะตุเชงเงินะตอมนาฮิ press secretary เตทูหินเจนะหมายละมาฮิจดานินะตัว page ปันมอตัว page ปันนินะโจเปาset ต่อก็อิตากินะโจมีเตนะอีพัดตอมปีดิงทูเลลาเตฮิบานนี่นะกิเทสักเซลล์นี่นะกาขัดเบซงนี่นะกาขัดนี่เบซงนี่นะเลมดันนี่กิเทสักเซลล์นี่จิเลฮี page I talk มอfollow นายแล้วเตนะน้อง follow สักดิ้งอุเล่หุ่นสิมินะน้องเอ็ดสักเซลล์ดิ้งอุจิต่อมานะจงฮีหน่วยจงฮี page ส่งจงPowerPoint ตุกิใส่นะตั้มปีตักมาเด้เอพิโซดส่งเลยนิวมินจินตัวจงเกียนเทรดดิ้ง PowerPoint ก็จีดานินจัดจางจีดานมั้งตรงเกียนเทรดดิ้งเกียนเทรนจินะตัวนั้นนะเอ็ดสักคนละฮี page follow นายแล้วเต้นนั่นนะ follow สักคนจีฮีนะYouTube จง I talk จีอีน้องมินจินว่า YouTube ปันยังจงเนี่ยนบอกเลย I talk ปันยังเกียนเทฮีจีน้องเอ็ดสักคนนักปีตะกินลุงดามินะ